Yo, what's up everybody? Another day in Pattaya. It was busy morning, wake up so late, like a hangover, even we didn't drink anything last night. However, it's very hot right now. We're gonna have a lunch in the central Pattaya mall actually. There is some very interesting food court there which we didn't visit it yet, and we wanna show you around. And then we're gonna enjoy our sunset session in Pattaya Beach, central Pattaya. Our bus is at 8 o'clock, so we have still plenty of time.
So we will go inside the central Pattaya and we will have lunch there. Already hungry. Let's go.
Here is something very interesting, which is deli bar. You can actually sit also and order, or you just can take away or sit in any other area of this food court. But the foods here are totally different. As you can see, very nice Western foods here. They also selling like a lasagna or something like that. Pizza slices, seems like only 2 slices left. Roast beef and big chicken or turkey, I don't know, actually looks like a turkey though. Ribs, chickens, and crispy skin, and honey baked ham. So a lot of interesting stuff, and so many people actually chilling and enjoying. You can also order the full pizza and stuff like this. This one, it looks like a fancy restaurant actually, but with the affordable prices actually, I'm gonna tell you. And there's like a sushi here, and I saw somewhere the sandwiches as well, and there is like a salad bar, so it's so many options to choose from. Actually on the other side there is like a pastry, and look at these beautiful cakes and everything actually over here. That's also cool. Cookies. This is actually the proper salad bar. Actually I missed up. This one actually looks cool, and you have a range of the baked vegetables, including potatoes and well, veggies. And here is the pastries and cake. Look at these pastries and these cakes, by the way, so beautiful. And the sandwiches, what I mentioned previously, also here. And the bakery, check this out, this selection of the breads. This one is actually already cool. This one nearly led me to move to Pattaya instead of Bangkok because of that. Maybe I just didn't find something like that in Bangkok. Look at this bread. This is like in Europe. And look at this one, the pastries. This is really good stuff here. And the prices, of course, maybe not the cheapest one, but definitely also not super expensive. And the selection of the stuff is just crazy. 75 baht for this pastry and the muffins and everything. Just literally so cool. And also this guy sitting there in the bar, he have a hairstyle like Elvis Presley, by the way. Cool. Cool place. And if you're going into the opposite direction, there's also the Asian food section. This food court is a little bit similar to this one in Pavilion actually in Kuala Lumpur. You can find even Singapore fried noodles and the ducks and the beef noodles, beef soups, and well, other options. I go with the fish and chips, but also you can find so many nice Asian dishes here actually, and selection of the noodles and soups and everything here. They're cooking for you. You can choose. Actually, selection is huge here. And also they have a El Greco. This is actually very interesting. You can buy the souvlaki or either Greek food. This is actually super cool as well. And also for some reason they have a pizzas. And I got myself fish and chips here for 170 baht, which is also very cool. And there is like another section. Of course, you need to buy the card, so you cannot pay by cash here, similar like anywhere else. And the drink section as well, and desserts. They also have a nice ice cream. So I'm gonna show you at the end before we're gonna explore the Pattaya. We just had our lunch. Food court is actually pretty cool, as you see, and this is also pretty cool looking observation deck from the, I think it's 2nd or 3rd floor of the Pattaya Central Mall. Many people coming here to making pictures and videos. This is also very fancy looking Starbucks, by the way, overlooking just directly the beach. I mean, I'm not promoting Starbucks, but it's actually very cool, and overall the view of the ocean and the beach. And I think it's time to grab some coconut and some Coke in the central Pattaya beach. Sunset's gonna be over there, but it's still early. This is the Starbucks what I mentioned, and this is the mall. Over there they are also Holiday Inn. This big building is Holiday Inn. This is North Pattaya. Maybe next time we're gonna visit North Pattaya, by the way. And this is the mall, and also this is one of the entrance, and also this is the Hilton Pattaya, just in case if you would like to stay. So it's actually pretty cool location, central location, and bars are there. So we're going there right now.
so behind me there is a cool mural art on the wall. And now it's time to grab coconut. Let's go down
Let's go.
and look at that.
Beautiful sunset is gonna be. Also cool thing about this one is, so outside is also a escalator, which is actually cool. You don't need to walk. Also, if you leave the mall and just outside the mall, there's also so many food carts or food trucks, which are also cool. Like I said, in Thailand, you can find food literally on every single corner. And this is the main street. We're gonna try to pass the street. I mean, cross the street. I hope so we can make it. The traffic is moderate, I could say, not so bad. And yeah, that's how does it look like. They must honk, of course, because they see us as you're filming. And let's focus on the promenade. It's actually cool promenade in Pattaya, like this one. They carry the big speakers. They're gonna do some performance. And this is the beach in Pattaya. So cool. Okay, I think, Sayang, we're gonna find our uncle, yeah? The favorite uncle. Let's
Favorite
have a
auntie and
look.
uncle.
He's somewhere at the front of 7-Eleven. Let's see. Auntie here.
No, go back to Bangkok, study, come back here.
Hello,
Weekend.
Auntie.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Sawadee.
Everything okay?
All good.
All good. One coconut and Coca-Cola. You
Yeah,
want a Coke?
Coca-Cola, yeah.
Coca-Cola.
busy,
Busy, uncle busy here. Check this out.
not make, you know.
Don't make. Yeah.
Okay. His bracelets are made from the cans by the recycle. Look at the beautiful smile of the uncle here. Always happy to share. Of course, okay.
Buffalo.
So cool. Okay, we got our Coke. You got the coconut with ice. Also, ice is nice quality with the holes. It's always from the factory, so you don't need to worry about that.
Cheers, guys. So we've got 4 hours before, I think 4 hours here, right?
Right
Yeah.
now it's exactly 4 hours.
Yeah, so it's time to chill by the beach, enjoying sunset, and then we will go to the bus terminal later on.
Yeah, we're gonna show you also how to get to the bus and everything. And meanwhile, people enjoying chilling. I will also stroll a little bit around later when it's cooler a little bit. Uncle here is playing by himself. He's doing this pretty well. Very good, Uncle, very good. Check this out. Like a pro. Check this out. Keeping very well. So good. Keep going. Check this out. He's already doing this longer while before I even start filming him like this one. So cool. Okay, good luck. That's his stall just at the front of the 7-Eleven. It's always good to have your favorite stall anyways. This was exactly the same in Bali. We had our favorite stall in Legian or in Kuta. I hope so they are keeping well. Anyways, tourism is back, so shouldn't be any problems. Last time I showed you the Pattaya beach going into direction of Walking Street. So today I just gonna turn around and show you what is behind me, going into North Pattaya direction a little bit for a few minutes. That's the Hilton, and where we start today's video actually on the other side of the street to give you point of view where we are. And now I'm gonna show you a little bit of the beach situation here in Pattaya. Actually the promenade is really cool. I really always like and enjoying the promenades like this one. And no matter where I am, at least if it's promenade, there is the road, there are coconut trees, palm trees, the huge promenade and the beach. I like it. The rubbish truck with the loud music, this is actually very interesting. But you know, it's something different. Also, it's very clean. I think I mentioned it a few times, but they have a huge rubbish bin here, and they also have another one, the metal one, the proper with the segregation and everything, which is very cool. That keeps Pattaya city very clean actually. To compare to some other Southeast Asian cities, for example. And yeah, basically that's how does it look like. I want to show you a little bit different direction to the regular walk for a few minutes, so you can have a point of view what's going on here. Actually going more into North Pattaya direction, I see is slightly more quieter, like for some reason less bars and wider promenade. And also on the other side of the street there is some sort of huge bar with so many actually brands under one roof and so many blocks sitting and enjoying their time. This is the main street situation, pretty crowded actually, I could say. Somebody comment just right now, if you take this taxi, this is only 10 bahts per ride or something like that. I have to try this actually, the baht taxi. Somebody have a very cool pickup truck over there, check this out. and some uncle driving with the kitchen. This is this one, and that's the bar situation. As you can see, actually quite a lot of blocks sitting and enjoying their time. Actually, I could say it's very busy. Sunday afternoon in Pattaya looks like this one, guys. So it's actually pretty cool. Totally different city, different vibes, but vibes are cool actually. Nothing to complain. Let me know if you like it. However, for me personally, there is nothing to complain about the vibes like this one, and people just enjoying their afternoon Sunday stroll. You can find the bars there on the streets, what I just showed you, or you can find the beach bars like this one, or a guy walking with his coconut. So you know, you can enjoy your life in Pattaya in general. Some more bars actually, and I think this is the end of the bar section here, to be honest. This is the last bar here. Coconut trees, palm trees are also missing, and then you have actually selection of more bars on the other side of the street, which is actually very interesting, like this one, so many of them. So the bars are actually on the other side of the street right now, which is looks like this one. This one also, the steak cafe Kamikaze, looks cool. And instead of the bars by the beach, or you know, even any other stars or the trees, coconut trees, you have an open part of the beach like this one, just directly overlooking the North Pattaya and the street, like this one. So if you want to have a drink, you go to the bar, and if you want to enjoy the beach, open beach area, it looks like this one actually. So cool. This looks a little bit like in maybe California somewhere, which is actually cool. North Pattaya is over there. I think next time we have to visit North Pattaya. Let's have a look. I'm gonna show you 360. Look at this bird. This actually flying. That's actually cool. Could be nice in the slow motion. And they are all the strips with the bars at the sunset. Gonna be very, very soon. Also, it's cool. People sunbathing here and the birds flying next to them. Maybe they feeding them actually. That's why they are flying over there. It's actually pretty cool and pretty enjoyable. I'm gonna zoom a little bit for you what's going on here, the situation. It's actually pretty cool, like I said already. I'm living in Southeast Asia permanently since 2016, actually since early 2016, but I used to coming for a longer while to Southeast Asia for the earlier years, for the longer or shorter while. But I think I never mentioned actually why I really start a YouTube channel, this YouTube channel, what I have it. One of the main reasons was that actually, as my mama and my papa from Poland, they never had the opportunity to visit me in Asia, and unfortunately due to their age and the other situations, probably they will never come to see me, which is actually very, very sad for me. So one of the main reasons, and one of the loyal viewers who are watching my videos every single day, no matter what, no matter where I am, they are actually. Like my mama today said, as she really enjoyed the Central Pattaya, actually South Pattaya video. This makes me happy. This makes me one of the biggest motivation to making this video is this one. We have so much hate, of course, and some people like some other things, they don't like it. But at least my parents can see what is going on in Asia, at least through my eyes. Even they don't speak English, and I'm making this video in English just to gain more viewers from all around the world. But they still enjoying that. So I just wanted to let you know, because actually, you know, like, worth to share sometimes. This was actually the main reason why I started the YouTube channel, to show the Asia to my family. Also, the first videos were actually with Polish subtitles, and I was thinking also to make a YouTube channel in Polish long time ago. However, Poland has a very small number of the population. We actually used to have 37 million, but currently we have 41, 42, because 5 million of Ukrainians refugees due to the war, they are actually living in Poland, so it's like a little bit complicated situation. Just in case somebody asks me what I'm thinking about the war between Russia and Ukraine, we're not touching politics on this YouTube channel, right? So, you know, that's how it is in general. You know, guys, I think we're gonna enjoy our drinks, and at 8 is our bus, so 2 hours from now. Sunset is gonna be very, very shortly. And we're gonna show you also how to get from Pattaya back to Bangkok, and maybe next weekend we're gonna come to Pattaya as well, showing you maybe North Pattaya. Also there is the island somewhere going with the local ferry very nearby the Pattaya, from the Bali Pier. Actually, very interesting name of the pier because it's called Bali Pier. You can visit one of the islands nearby Pattaya. Maybe we're gonna go there. Winnie said that she wanna go there, so why not? Okay, I'm gonna come back to Winnie. Meanwhile, this is the beach situation. Bars on the other side and the water sports on the other side. Very calm, actually, I could say. Even it's Pattaya, but it's very enjoyable. There is some live performance here, like a sketch with the singing time to time. Not sure if it's more into jokes or more into singing, however they talk right now. But I heard in the background as they are singing as well. And that's the sunset situation here in Pattaya. Still so many people enjoying their time, enjoying their drinks. This is also some people chilling here in the, I don't know, it's the statues of Pearl or something in Pattaya. But so many people chilling there, and of course at the front is the Hilton and the Central Mall, and that's how does it look, the simple situation here in Pattaya. Like I said many times, pretty cool. Exactly the same like yesterday. We had the one coconut, one Coca-Cola, and yesterday we paid 180 baht, but today with the uncle and auntie 90 baht for the same product on the beach. So as you can see here is everything cheaper in central Pattaya.
Okay, so now we will refresh ourselves in the in the mall. Maybe went to the go to the toilet first, and then we will go to the bus station and take the taxi to go there.
Also after sunset everything looks a little bit different. This is the cannabis truck here. The same like in Bangkok. I think now everywhere across the Thailand is the same like that. And down there, actually, where we also started today's video, now it's more colorful. They have a nice lanterns, and I think there are actually some food trucks as well. Yeah, actually there are food trucks with ribs, with some other satays and stuff like this one. Even some music and bar also with the drinks. However, it's gonna be busier definitely later around 8-9 p.m. Also the McDonald's is there, and this is the mall obviously. So we just came at the front of the Hilton hotel here. We ordered the in-driver for 100 baht back to the bus station. Grab, it's cost 145, so it's actually half price. No, 30% cheaper if you are using in-driver, but you can use the Grab, also Bolt or something like that. So it's many online taxi apps here in Thailand in general. Alright, we just arrived to the Pattaya bus station, North Pattaya actually. Ride was actually pretty quick, even there was a little bit traffic, but pretty quick, so you don't need to worry about that. I'm gonna show you a little bit where to buy tickets. Actually, over here I will show you around. This is the station. During the day, so many taxi drivers and everybody, and this is the ticket counter. Number one is Ekamai. You can also go to Mochit, which is central Bangkok, and Hua Hin as well if you would like. And prices to Bangkok are 131 bahts. And then you are moving forward. Actually there's already quiet because it's 7:30. This bus is 7:30 going actually to Bangkok right now. Buses looks like this one, and this is the place where you are waiting for. So during daytime it's very busy, but right now it's very quiet. I think those people going at 8 to Bangkok together with us. And this is the Bangkok Pattaya bus like this one. Some of them they are newer, some of them they are older, but they are pretty convenient, cheap and safe. That's the most important thing. And yeah, I will show you inside the bus when arrive. Also during the daytime there is like a board showing you times and everything, but now it's very quiet. Also there was so many places to buy something like snacks and coffee, but all of them they already closed at 7:30. And this is our bus, Bangkok Pattaya, old Mercedes. It's pretty cool actually, but it's very affordable at the same time. And some people actually still going to Bangkok at that time, 8 o'clock p.m. And we are leaving just at 8 o'clock. Let's see what time we're gonna arrive to Bangkok Ekamai. And in the buses like this one, pretty comfortable, nothing to complain about. And it's 10 to 10, so 1 hour 50 minutes drive, Saya.
Okay, that's all our journey from what is it called?
Pattaya.
Sleeping from Pattaya to home. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Meanwhile, food everywhere in Bangkok.